Hi everyone. Um, we're in my inventory room, and I had a couple of little updates that I did this summer to my inventory system. Well, I didn't really update my inventory system, but I updated my shelves a little bit. So I kind of wanted to show you that, but then I'm pulling my shipping too. I only have 4 packages to ship today, so kind of sad. But usually I have more. But anyway, yesterday was quiet. But I wanted to show you what I've done. So here's my shelves. And if you saw my video from before, these were not in there. So what I did, I think I talked about in my last video about taking like a piece of board and putting it in here to kind of firm things up. This is just foam board that you can get from like Walmart. And you can get a sheet of it for like, I think it's 88 cents for like a big 20 by 30 sheet. And then you just cut it down into the size you need. And so, I'm able to do, one sheet does 4 shelves. So I have to do 2 sheets per shelving unit, but it holds everything in a little bit better. So I was kind of happy about that. What was happening is that this paracord that I was using to hold everything in, you can see it's starting to stretch out. And rather than having to go in and retighten everything, which seemed like kind of a job that I don't want to take on right now, there's just too many shelves, and it would take me hours, and it would make me sweat. And that doesn't sound very much fun. Anyway, I just decided to do this. And it looks so nice. It looks so tidy. Look at that. Look how tidy that is. Anyway, so that's one change that I made. If you haven't seen the other video, I'll link it down below. Because I kind of go through my inventory system. Everything is the same though. So, like, oh, one other thing that I did is I bought some chipboard on eBay, which is just like cardboard sheets. I bought 2,000 of them, which sounds like a ridiculous amount, but I have a lot of inventory. So what I'm doing is putting it in my packages, and I'm not shipping them this way, but it basically, what I'm doing is just trying to firm up the packages for when they're on the shelves, because what was happening is that if I got something that was like not filling up the bag completely, it was just kind of mushing into the shelves, and it made it hard for me to stack new things in there, because everything was just kind of, you can, I don't know if you can see it, like, see, it's just kind of mushy in there. So rather than that, the chipboard, so as I'm listing new items, I'm putting a piece of chipboard in the package, and then when I get ready to ship it, I just take the chipboard out and ship it, because I want to be able to reuse them. I don't want to have to buy any more, but I wanted to have enough to cover my inventory as it rolls over. So as I go, I'm not going back and doing it, but as I'm listing new stuff, I'm putting the chipboard in there. So anyway, and then I was going to show you today what I sold. So just for kicks, because it sounded like a fun thing to do. So the first thing that I need to pull is an Alfred Dunner sweater. I listed this just yesterday on August, is it? No, day before yesterday, August 28th. So, yeah, and it sold this morning. So yay me, I like that. That is over here. And it sold, that's what that looks like. It's kind of a, it's a sweater. It's got that layered look to it. It's a 2X though, and it's in that kind of light lavender. So, and how much did they pay for that? I have no idea. That didn't print out. So we might have to wait on that. I think it sold for like $11 or $12. Not a ton. Plus shipping. I charge shipping for everything. Um, so I think, oh yeah, because it was like, it ended up being like $19 total. So with shipping. And then I sold some Izod pants. And those are over here. Izod pants. I've had those up since June 20th of this year. A Michael Brandon shirt. It's a men's shirt. And that one's way down here. H119. 17. So this is just a little short sleeve men's shirt. And then a Brooks Brothers sweater. And that has been listed since June 11th. It was Irish linen though. It's a women's shirt. Brooks Brothers generally sells men's stuff, but this was a women's cardigan in an Irish linen. So that's why I picked it up. And it sold for like $32. So that was good. So that one is over here. Tyler, you're not helping. So that's what that package looks like. And that's it. Kind of a sad day for the eBay. But you know, not every day is a home run day. But I'm gonna go take care of my shipping. It was like yesterday was like $100 day. Not anything to write home about, but that's the way it is sometimes. Yesterday was like Thursday. So apparently people had better things to do than to shop in my store yesterday. So, but I'm just going to keep listing and being consistent. I've been really, really consistent with my listing this last couple of weeks, and my sales are up like 30%. So consistent listing really does work regardless of what other people say. I've been doing this a long time, and I've run experiments in my store a bazillion times. Consistent listing works. So especially if you are in a competitive market like clothing, because there are so many people that are listing the same stuff that if you want to have any chance of being on the first page, you better have an active store. So anyway, I'm gonna go take care of all this stuff and get it shipped out to my customers, and then do some more listing. Yeah, because I've got tons of stuff that I need to get up because there's like, my death pile is growing. Yeah, so I'm gonna go get busy. So I will talk to you guys later. Thanks, bye.